So I'm here at Narawntapu National Park, or is it Narawntapu? I don't really know, to be honest, but I'm going to go to Archer's Knob, which is a pretty easy walk. I've only been here once before. We only went as far as that bird hide that was on the sign, and that was a long time ago. Well, I've come 1.5 kilometres from the visitor centre. It's only been like 15 minutes. 2.5 to Archer's Knob. It's been pretty easy track, sandy, but we're right next to the coast. It's windy, so yeah, and then plenty of wildlife and surprisingly a lot of dragonflies. Well, I've been sidling around Archer's Knob for quite a while now. It's, I'm just waiting for the climb to start. Not that it's going to take that long really. The peak is only like 170 metres tall, so can you even call it a peak? It's barely a blip on the horizon. I'm on the summit. It's been 50 minutes since I left, and yeah, it is really windy. As back towards the visitor centre, Port Sorrel, that's Bass Strait. Behind me is the Asbestos Range, which is what the national park used to be named after. And that is looking east towards Copper Cove and over that hill is Badger's Beach. I hope you can even hear me because yeah, it is really windy up here. So I decided to walk back to the visitor centre via the Spring Lawn and the Spring Lawn Lagoon, and I'm really glad I did because there are so many kangaroos. Well, they actually are kangaroos, they're Forester Kangaroos, so they're about as tall as me, and I think that they're only breed of kangaroo in Tasmania. And it's pretty awesome really, because I'm not used to it. Good little walk, it's quite popular, but it is a long weekend. I'll see you next video.